Welcome back. Thank you for staying with CNN News 18. Now, after Delhi debacle, Kejriwal has called for a meeting with Punjab Chief Minister and all MLAs today at Kapurthala House at 11 a.m. Now, ahead of the meeting, Congress has once again repeated its charge that the Aam Aadmi Party is preparing ground to expel Bhagwant Mann from the Punjab Chief Ministerial post. क्या आम आदमी पार्टी के जो एमएलएज हैं क्या वो आपसे टच में हैं अभी तक?
मैम वो एक साल से बहुत सारे टच में हैं. There are more than 3 dozen MLAs who exactly feel that AAP doesn't have a future.
Okay.
It was a one-way ticket to the moon. They exactly know they don't have a future ahead, so they are looking at a better future. And the only party which has a base and they want to join the future is the Congress. That's why they have a link with me, and we under no circumstances want to destabilize this government because the number is big. Our intention is not to destabilize, but obviously कोई पार्टी ये तो चाहेगी कि अगर कोई आदमी ऑपोजिशन के हमारे साथ टच रहता है तो विच पार्टी विल नॉट लाइक टू ओपन अप इट्स डोर्स, बट लेट द टाइम कम. मैं इतना ही बस कहना चाहता हूँ, एंड आई स्टैंड बाय व्हाट आई सेड. दे आर वेरी मच इन टच, दे आर एंड दे विल टाइम विल कम व्हेन हम आपको बताएंगे कि जो हमने ये स्टेटमेंट दी थी वो सच निकली. ये देखो आदमी हमारे साथ खड़े हुए हैं जी. तो ये गवर्नमेंट को डिस्टेबलाइज करना, तोड़ने की बात नहीं, बट दे आर कंप्लीटली डिसोल्यूशन. They know they have no future. It is just like the present day MLAs of the AAP. They also know they don't have a future ahead now.
अरविंद केजरीवाल है फॉर्मर चीफ मिनिस्टर दिल्ली के. उन्होंने एक मीटिंग बुलाई है, उसमें चीफ मिनिस्टर पंजाब के भगवंत मान भी है और बाकी एमएलएस भी है. तो देर आर रिपोर्ट्स की मतलब शायद वो शिफ्ट हो जाए, पंजाब के सीएम बन जाए, ऐसी भी खबरें आ रही हैं. उस पर आप कैसे रिएक्ट?
शायद नहीं, पक्का ही है. अरविंद केजरीवाल के दिमाग में है कि यार ये तो मेरा प्लेस्ड आदमी है, मेरे नाम पर पार्टी जीती है पंजाब में, ये तो मेरा प्रोटेजी है. And he has nothing else to do. No, he would be unleashed with number of cases by the central government now. So he has to firstly save his own back. And अपने आप को इसने relevant रखने के लिए politics. See, today he is no one. He's even been defeated as a MLA. तो इसका तो अपना relevance खत्म हो जाएगा. बेसिकली तो सारी आम आदमी पार्टी का रेलेवेंस तो अरविंद केजरीवाल जिंदा रहता है, उसकी इमेज जिंदा रहती है तभी रहेगा ना जी. तो दैट्स व्हाई ही बेसिकली दे वांट कि लोकल डिमांड क्रिएट कराओ वहाँ एमएलए से कि सर आप आए जी, तभी आप पंजाब में बच पाएगी. तो वट एवर इज लेफ्ट ऑफ द आप, प्लीज ट्राई टू गैल्वेनाइज एंड save that part of the AAP. तो इसीलिए he basically wanted to go there. But on the other hand, Bhagwant doesn't want to leave now. This is nothing new. आपने देखा ठाकरे ने बिल्ड किया था ये वो जो आपका क्या नाम है जो चीफ मिनिस्टर बने थे दिल्ली के महाराष्ट्र वाले जी, एकनाथ शिंदे. तो ये दूसरा मेरा कहना है एकनाथ शिंदे बनेगा. Because he is in touch with the BJP leadership via Revneet Bittu.
ओके, वन लास्ट क्वेश्चन सर. आपने कहा कि कुछ 30 एमएलएज आपके टच में हैं, और अगर ऐसा होता है, अगर एक चेंज इन चीफ मिनिस्टर होता है, तो क्या आप क्योंकि आपने कहा कि हम लोग डिस्टेबलाइज नहीं करना चाहते, बट इन केस देयर इज अ चेंज इन द चीफ मिनिस्टर, देन व्हाट इज गोइंग टू बी योर नेक्स्ट स्टेप?
मैडम वो तो जब आएंगे, लेट द ब्रिज कम, ओनली देन वी विल थिंक ऑफ क्रॉसिंग इट. All right, and now we are getting another breaking input as far as the entire showdown with Punjab MLAs in Delhi is concerned. Now, sources have informed CNN News 18 that the Congress doesn't want Mann to go, as he would be their best bet for a comeback in the state. I'm now joined by CNN News 18's Pallavi Ghosh. Pallavi, please take us through the detail and explain it to us that why the Congress thinks that the best bet as of now is Bhagwant Mann and he should remain the chief minister.
Well, Shane, just following up on that conversation you had with Pratap Singh Bajwa, the Congress's calculation is, one, Bhagwant Mann does not have much strength within his own party as far as the state is concerned. The Congress's calculation and feeling is that many of the MLAs, in fact most of the MLAs, are pretty unhappy with Bhagwant Mann, and that is something which will always make his government weak. Also, the public perception of Mann as a good administrator has also been shaken, and there are multiple problems which Punjab is facing. discussing non-fulfillment of promises, water problem, drug issue, all of that, and also the personal image of Bhagwat Singh Mann is something which the Congress party feels it can capitalize on. So whenever it goes for the next election, which is actually 2 years away, Mann's image as a non-performer could be the base on which the Congress hopes to make a comeback. The Congress, of course, is averse to the idea of trying to destabilize the government at this point of time. But what they're also worried about is that is there a possibility, as Mr. Bajwa pointed out to you, of an Eknath Shinde kind of a situation in Punjab? Should the BJP engineer or manage to get Bhagwat Mann to leave and join hands with the BJP and form a government, it still has 2 years left to go. We know that the BJP still doesn't have a very strong base in Punjab, but it can capitalize on these 2 years, do some work, deliver on many of the promises which Bhagwat Mann as an AAP CM could not, and then bounce back. So it could be a repeat of what has happened in Maharashtra, where Eknath Shinde became the chief minister for 2 to 3 years. Promises were fulfilled. That was used as a benchmark for the BJP or the Mahayuti alliance to come back, and then you had a BJP CM. This is what the Congress is really worried about at this point of time.
But Pallavi, you know, these are assumptions and claims that at this point that is coming in from the Congress that Arvind Kejriwal will shift to Punjab. He will ask Bhagwat Mann to step down. What is really the fact here? Do you think that this is actually very much possible, or there are actually talks going on, and in this meeting a similar decision could be taken?
But I have my doubts when Arvind Kejriwal himself would ever want to become the Punjab CM, even though there's a lot of speculation about it, because we know given Punjab's fabric, you need to have a Sikh CM. There have been attempts which have been made earlier, like say a Sunil Jakhar or Aman Arora of the Aam Aadmi Party in Punjab, who feel that, you know, a Hindu can become the CM, but that's not how it really works. It would just be disadvantage AAP. But we also know Arvind Kejriwal post the Delhi debacle is at a weak spot. Would he want to capitalize on the Aman's unpopularity amongst his MLAs to flex his muscles? Will he actually go in for a chief minister's change at this point of time? Remember when, again I'm drawing a parallel, Shireen, to the times of the Punjab, Amrinder Singh. When Amrinder Singh was removed and was asked to step down as a chief minister, within his own party, he was actually extremely weak. The MLAs were not backing him. So it was very easy for the central leadership to replace him with Charanjit Singh Channi. Is that what Arvind Kejriwal will do? But the difference over here is that Kejriwal himself is in a weakened position. How much of maneuverability will he really have as far as Punjab politics is concerned? But as of now, I think it's going to be a pep talk also, which he would want to give. His biggest challenge will be to ensure that the Punjab government completes his full term.
Absolutely, and all eyes are of course on that 11 a.m. meeting that is all set to take place at Kapurthala House. I request you, Pallavi, to please stay